Hi everyone, Miss Romney here. Today we are going to be doing a surprise fish drawing. Let's gather some supplies from around the house. You will need paper and a pencil. If you have something to color with, that'd be great, but you don't have to have that. Grab your paper and let's start folding. With your paper vertical, that's straight up and down, fold it in half. Take the top page and fold it to the bottom. Turn your paper over. Create another crease by folding your paper to the bottom. Flip your paper over again. You should have a flap to pull up now. We are done folding. Let's draw our fish on the folded paper. Draw half of a heart on the top fold and the other half on the bottom. Add a line through the middle. Now let's draw the body and tail of the fish. We can draw details such as expressive eyes, fins, and scales. Here comes the exciting part. Unfold your paper. Let's connect the top drawing to the bottom drawing and fill in the details. What do you think our surprise fish will see while it's swimming along? Hey, you are the artist. The choice is yours. Here's what I imagined. How about adding some bubbles and seaweed? Our drawing is done. You can add color if you like. Hope you had fun. Can't wait to see what you create next.